In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page. Ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. At first, you need to be logged into your Facebook account, right? This is a Facebook account. So this is the account Emmanuel Jack. So scroll down, click on this pages option, right? Then you'd see create new page. You'll be displayed with some options here, right? Meta Business Suite to discover liked pages, invitations. So you'd click on this create new page, right? I'll click on this create new page, then create a page. Your page is where people go to learn more about you. Make sure that yours has all informations they may need. So at first page name, I must come on here and click Yugi Education, right? This is just a test page, right? Yugi Education. Then category would be education website, bio, financial education, and crypto lessons, right? And crypto lessons. Then I'll click on this create page, right? Our page is ready, right? Yugi Education. So this is it. So website, if you have a website, you can add it on here. Then your phone number, then your email address, then your postal code, then your hours of work. I can come on here and select always open, right? I'll click on the next tab, then add profile picture. If you have any profile picture, you can add profile picture. Add cover photo. If you have any cover photo, that is this. You can add the cover photo. Then you can add any action button. It can be message me on WhatsApp, message me on Telegram, message me on Twitter. Yeah, you just add an action button, right? Then I'll click on this next. Connect your WhatsApp, right? You can connect your WhatsApp here. So I'll skip this for now. I'll click the skip button. Build your page audience. Add friends letter to help grow your page. I'll click on this next, right? Stay informed about your page notifications on your profile, marketing and promotional emails about your page. I'll turn this off. I'll click on the done, right? So this is how you can create a Facebook page, right? So this is still loading. Once it is done, yeah, exactly, I've created our own Facebook page, right? So this is my Facebook page. Welcome to your new page. You are switched out of your profile and into your new page, Yugi Education. This means you'll have more confidence that you are sharing, liking and commenting as the page. See what else is new. Not now. So this is it, right? So you can come on here, you can add a cover photo of the page, right? You can add a cover photo of the page. So once I've added the cover photo, you can still add a profile picture about the page, right? You'd come on here, click this edit, then you do some adjustments in the page, right? Write a welcome post, link your WhatsApp account, add an action button. So these are some of the important things you do to this your Facebook page. Then you can still create an ad, right? Facebook advertising. Create an ad to target specific results. You can see insights about your page. You'll also be able to have access to the professional dashboard, right? Then this is the settings. So yeah, this is how you can create a Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.